Hey y'all, it's me. It's been a while and I haven't been doing much with my hair, but I said, you know what? I got my hair braided up. Let me show them what's going on. It's been 8 days. I braided it because I just wanted it out of the way, and I'm getting ready to trim it at some point, probably right after I take these out. And I wanted beads. I like something that's quick and easy for the lazy and busy natural. You know, I like to keep it simple here in this space, and I ain't disappoint. Anywho, what I have here are, I guess you could call them box braids, but it's not very many. I think I got a total of 16. I wanted some beads. You know, I wanted to wear beads, so I put some beads in it, and boom. If you want to know where I got the beads, what I'm doing to maintain the style, how I put the braids, the braid pattern, and all that, click on the link up here. So I'm actually living my best life right now. You know I like to keep it simple here. And this look is for someone who doesn't know how to cornrow, don't want people doing their hair, don't want to sit for hours, want to wear their natural hair, and want to also see their length. This has been 8 days, just in case I didn't mention that. All right, guys, and until the next video, live simply and be kind.